Hello, Corina.
King na tayo. Okay, one tayo po. Okay na. One more here. Salamat po.
Salamat.
Ito po mga kaibigan ng ating Joe Quirino Lifetime Achievement Awardee, the one and only Miss Corina Sanchez. Hello! Kamusta naman? I'm sure sa dami na mga awards ninyo. What makes this special?
Well, I feel a little older kasi lifetime achievement na parang binigyan ka ng ganitong gawad parang ang dami mo nang ginawa at parang pwede ka na magpahinga pero no. We're only just starting pero natutuwa naman ako siguro dahil nagsimula akong mag-work 5 years old pa lang ako. Child newscaster po ako noon kaya marami na rin talaga naman nagawa in about 30 years. Parang 30 to 35 years in broadcast. So it's an honor. Joe Quirino is an icon himself. I was a fan of his. And syempre, magawa na lang ito. Malaking karanasan.
What keeps you going? Sabi mo nga, pag ganyan may mga award, feeling mo pwede mag-retire, pero hindi. Not for Corina Sanchez.
Well, it's a passion. I think I'm a workaholic. I like making things better. I like making a contribution. I'm a constant gardener. Hindi ako pwedeng walang project. Ang dami ng taong tinutulungan. So, kailangan pa rin kumita kahit paano. At the same time, you're doing what you love. So, I guess I'll do it as long as I can.
Last, yung mga younger generation, every time tinatanong sila, sino ang idol nyo? Lagi din nasa una, top 3 listahan. Corina Sanchez.
Pwede number 1. Top 3 talaga.
I mean, yung nasa...
I'm honored, of course I'm honored.
Anong mapapayo niya sa kanila?
Mapapayo ko sa lahat ng mga gustong pumasok sa ganitong larangan. Well, ang nakikita po ninyo ay parang kapraso lang po yan. Ang talagang totoong trabaho ay yung talagang masadlak sa putik, literally and figuratively, and to really work very, very hard. It's not very glamorous. But there's a glamour side, pero the only way to make it really is to break it. So you really have to work very hard and love it.
Every time I see you, you're glamorous, just like tonight. Who are you wearing? Alam niyo naman, pag red carpet.
Well, I woke up like this. So I'm in Apuy, Quiñones. He's so reliable. Did it in 2 days.
Wow. Oh.
Yes, because I realized, wala na pala ako Filipiniana. Okay, so Apuy, Quiñones, and the whole team, thank you so much.
Maraming salamat and congratulations, mga kaibigan, Ms. Corina Sanchez.
Our awardee is one of the most respected journalists in the country, a trusted name by Filipinos worldwide.
Her standards in the broadcasting industry is legendary, a testament of our dedication that the Filipino people deserve only the best. Please join us in applauding and welcoming to the stage the recipient of this year's Joe Quirino Lifetime Achievement Award, the incomparable Miss Corina Sanchez.
I'm a big fan of Joe Quirino. Take it away. Kami lang ang nakakaintindi nun, right? Direct Gina. Tayo lang nakakaalala. But what an honor it is, no? Di ba? Well, earlier, tinatanong po ako kung anong pakiramdam ng isang tumatanggap ng Lifetime Achievement Award. And the very first thing that came to my mind was old. Old.
parang pumapangalawa lang yung malaking karangalan. But truly, I have been a broadcast journalist for more than 30 years. So wag na po kayo maglabas ng inyong mga calculator. Ako po ay 10 years old lang nung ako'y nagsimula. Parang si Manong Chavit, naging gobernador nung siya'y paslit pa lamang. So parang nga akong pinagpapahinga, no? But let me tell you, awards like this are really an honor. And it really fuels the likes of me to work even harder. Because pangako ko po sa inyo, marami pa pong mga kwentong kailangang ibahagi, mga taong kailangan tulungan, at mga katotohanan na kailangan talagang malaman ng lahat. Ang akin pong pangarap ay muling manumbalik ang pamamahayag na walang kinatatakutan. Yan. Walang preno. Malapit na ulit. Pero papunta na tayo doon. Marami pong salamat sa Eddies. Magandang gabi po.